Hey, there they are. Look at that. Oh, 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 sweet childs of mine. Yeah. Oh, 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 oh. There they are. They are less than 1 hour. They're less than 1 hour away. My girls are on the way home. They are on the end towards the finish line of their second day of driving from Wyoming, Brush Creek Ranch, where they worked since the beginning of May, right when school let out at the Purdue's. So there they are. They're coming back. My baby dolls. There's Maya Coco on the right. That's kid two. And there is Madison, kid one on the left. And guess what? Kid three. Wow, wow, wow. He's in school today. First day of school for kid three. He is a sophomore in LaCale, or wait, where's he at? High school. He's in high school. And so Madison will be a senior this year in college, and Maya will be a junior. So we have dinner tonight at Maya's favorite restaurant. And then on Friday, we've got a little friends and family party at the house to say hi and goodbye to the girls. And then on Saturday, we're having dinner at Madison's favorite restaurant. So I'm very excited, actually giddy with excitement. And they're, of course, excited to see their mom and dad and brother, but they're also super excited to meet their new puppy, the new puppy, Stella. So Stella is waiting anxiously at the door. And they should be here, I would imagine 40 minutes, 35, 40 minutes away. They're past Chicago now. So let's take a look at the markets here on Wednesday. It is Wednesday, August 16th, 20 and the 23 on the Mayan calendar, 152 and the PM. Let's look at the bar chart overall. Let's pull up the SPX, which of course tracks the S&P 500. It's been a little bit of a wild ride since the Fed minutes came out. Like let's read an old report from a meeting that happened already and determine whether or not we like what that says. Oh, Bar, don't be so rude about the market. So it's been kind of lollygagging up and down since the report has come out. But let's look at I don't know, the 1 month. If you see what's happened after we hit that 4600, when was that? 4600 was towards the end of the July. So at the end of July, we hit 4,600, and then it's just been kind of weaseling its way back down. Wah, wah, wah. Walks downstairs on loner impairs and makes a clinkety sound. S&P, S&P, S&P 500. How far will it go downtown? We don't know. We never know. We'd like to guess either way. Get out the crystal ball, get out the magic 8 ball. We like to guess. I know I'm looking at UPS, possibly selling some puts on the UPS today to expire next Friday. I was looking at like the 167.50. Currently green just a little bit. Let me pull it up on the big board so I can go to the Robinhood. Oh, we got Coca-Cola up here. Got all kinds of stuff on the board. Where are you? There you are. Take a look at this here over at the Big Mac. I hope Madison knows she's not getting the Big Mac back for her room. It's my computer. She commandeered it when there was a lot of college classes on the Zoom. Well, guess what? I just bought you a brand new iPad with a little iPad pen, and you're not getting the Big Mac back. It's mine anyways. Let's go to the 1 day over here. Then we'll just keep an eye on that. Maybe when it hits red, it's just barely green at the very moment. Looks like it's going to head down. And it is. Okay. It is turned red. Hey, this still shows green. Well, let's update it. Let's update it and see if it has a little red on it. And then maybe we'll put 5 on it. Am I reading the same charts? Oh, you're just giddy because the girls, those little sweethearts. Time flies when you're having fun, I'll tell you that. Maya Coco on the 28th of this month will turn 21 years old. Oh, man. Hard to believe. Let's go to the big board on Robinhood. Let's see. We're just up a little bit today. $2,500 bills. Our AbbVie position that expires in 2 days. We're currently underwater in that. We got a 150 call and it's at 152.30. So we'll watch that roll it on Friday if need be. Albemarle it's hanging in there. We're still looking pretty good. It's currently down today 0.71% at 182.73, but we have a 177.50 put, 3 of those as a matter of fact. So still doing good there. We got the A to the P to the D. We're actually lost a little ground. We were at like 73% profit this morning. So they must be going up today. Yeah, they're up half a point to 286.57. So we're still good at the 290 call credit spread, 290/300. But we'll be watching that closely with our peepers. Jeepers, creepers. Where'd you get those peepers? British American Tobacco doing just fine. Are they up today? I don't think so. They're down nearly 0.5%. So we'll just keep watching that. We did buy a couple more of the BTI. Puff, puff, pass. Smoke them if you got them. Got a good deal on those. Changed our overall cost basis down a lot on the BTI. We have Colgate. That's probably right around even. It's at 7 to 4.50, so it's back in our graces, our good grace. Wait, no, it's not. It's under. So you can't go from calls to puts because it confuses you. So we do have $75 puts on the board, and the stock is currently trading at 74.49. So we may roll it. We may take possession. When do they pay their next? When do they pay the next dividend? I need to get my big board in front of me going with all the different positions that I'm considering, have puts on, etc. that also show me the next ex-dividend date, earning dates, all that. So we missed the ex-dividend date, so that's not in play here. Not in play. CRISPR, they were doing just fine this morning. Now they're trying to make my butt stink. Are they making a comeback? Not really. Not really at all. They're down 3% today. Knocking on 47's door. So we got 47.21 on the board. Do we have it on the Big Mac? I don't think we do. Got all kinds of stuff on here though. Okay, Air Products just turned down red a bit, so that's in our favor because we have a call credit spread. What about pulling up the CRISPR? Pull up those Rice Krispie treats and see what's up. Go to the 1 day. Yeah, where were they? They opened the day like at 48.65. They've dropped all the way to where they're currently at. They've been as low as 47.27. So still hanging in there, but they're battling. It's a battle they're putting on. Tug of war. D-Dog is doing real well for us. We got $84 puts, and it's currently up 2.27% today at 90.53. We have 3 of those. So, like, what percent of the profit are we in? We're at 85% profit. Now, it's only Wednesday, so we will consider closing that as soon as tomorrow, but we may let it just ride out into the sunset at full profit. Devon is down today again, getting into that put category. They're at 48.88. Our calls are at 54. We'll let those ride into the sunset, but we would also consider selling puts on Devon. What's crude at? It was at 79 and change a second ago. Crude is at 79.41. Why are you yelling? Because my mouth isn't close to the microphone. I got to get a better setup so you can see my made for print face more clearly. As long as you're laughing, Bart, that's all that matters. EOG likely letting those go unless we can get a fair trade. We'll consider that not until Friday. Gilead is, I think they're back out of the money, so it should be in the 78s. 78.12. So they're down nearly 2%. I think I'm fine with that. I see Gilead rolling up to like 100 by the end of January. Didn't I say that yesterday? I got to listen to these back, write down all these predictions. Jackson Financial, are they up today? Down over a point. Those regional banks are giving me heartburn. Target had a little pop today, didn't they? They went uptown and then they went downtown. Holiday Inn, they're still up over 3% today after the big pre-sell off. They ended up knocking their earnings out of the park, but then they said, hey, wait a minute, rest of the year, not so fast. Not looking great for the rest of the year as far as revenue is concerned. They also did say, you know what, we made a mistake. We made a mistake with the gay pride. We should probably soft pedal that. In fact, maybe just stay out of those things and remember your job for me is to make me money. Ooh, that needs to change. We can't be up $666. We need that to be $667 or above. And Valero down. No, they're up just a touch. Just a touch. So I have a decision to make if Valero keeps rolling around this number, because right now they will be, oh my gosh. Sparkle Barbie just texted me. It says 15 minutes away. So the girls are almost here. Now I can't concentrate. So 131.11 on Valero, 130 currently on the call. We'll see. I'll probably be able to get a good roll on that because I'm definitely bullish for the remainder of the year. As I said, though, it looks like the crystal ball says there's going to be a little dip in the oil and energy companies and then a big pop. So what did I see just go down over here? CRISPR. Thanks a lot, crispy wheats. What else is on the board? We've got one other on the board this week, and it's ExxonMobil 111 calls, so those should be fine because that's going to be down today. It's at 107.01. Exxon to the Mobil. So that's where we stand at the moment. Let's go back and look at UPS to see if we want to get into it right now. Right here and right now. Bring UPS back up. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, ooh. 171.69. Well, this says 171.42. Go to the day. Let's go to the 1 day. And let's see what kind of numbers we would get trading some puts out till next Friday. It's Friday night. So it'd be 9 days away. I did change these. So it's telling me you can now customize 2 of your options chain metrics. And I've already done that. I changed them to chance of profit and implied volatility. So we got that going for us. And if we go to the 167.50, that's up to $1.03. Dibby, 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 dibby. Let's see what's up here. Let's see what's up. Let's try for 104. How about $1.04? Try to catch 312 on you. Can you get 312 on you? For $50,000 bills. We'll leave that up on the board. It clicks a little bit more red. Those will fill, and they just did. So let's just do the math on that right quick because we have all the numbers in front of us. $312 divided by 50,250 divided by 9 days in the trade multiplied by 365. That's 25.1%. So that is, and we like to see 20 plus on these trades. So we're good there. And who knows? I mean, UPS could continue to fall and go right through my strike, and then I own it or I roll it, whatever the case may be. I worked for UPS years ago. I told you that story. Great company, not going anywhere. Yeah, they could have some revenue revisions going on the rest of the year, but overall, big picture, UPS is going to be just fine. Doesn't mean they're not overpriced, Bart. Don't talk yourself out of it. You just put $312 in your pocket. Okay, I got to run. I hear a lady calling me. She's probably going to want to bring balloons out or something. Anyways, thanks for checking in with me. It is 2:06 p.m. Probably won't be back today. Got all kinds of things cooking here with the girls coming back to town. So very exciting. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.